Okay, so we're at the floor cleanout by register 12, and this is again after Roto-Rooter came in and did what they called milling. We can't go any further than we've ever gone, and we're underwater here at 150 feet, which is under the ladies' room before the floor cleanout, which I think is like 160. So we didn't make it any further, and as you'll see looking at the videos, again, I'm not a milling professional. I don't know exactly what the machine is, but I'm not impressed. So I'm afraid Target's spent a considerable amount of money for Roto-Rooter's milling, and I'm not sure they're a whole lot better off than they were. This spot here at 135 feet is the family restroom, comes in right here. Oh, not real impressed. So we'll do our normal standard procedure of jetting from the back of the building to the front of the building, and we'll take a look when we're done to be sure that there's nothing left. Target can make their decision on what they want to do from there. You can see the debris on the right side. I don't consider this being a new surface personally. To me, it looks like the same pipe, just different day. So here's where I believe it picks up the cafe here, about 42 feet.